a lot of people are scared to shop from AliExpress, and you must have guessed it from the title that I'm going to do a review slash try on haul, and I'm going to share my experience. And I've been shopping from AliExpress for almost 2-3 years now, and I'm going to answer all the burning questions that you have regarding the website. Is it safe? How to buy? What's the shipping method? And all of the questions that you have in mind, and I'm going to share my experience as well. Also, I'm going to tell you guys how I find fashionable pieces at affordable prices from AliExpress. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Without any further ado, let's get into the video.
That I can be the one, if that is what I want. Your days are gone, you've had your little fun.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to tell you how to buy. I got this top from AliExpress. Yes, I got this very cute top from AliExpress. I got this for 1300 rupees, you guys, and it's so cute, on trend. There are so many different sellers for a similar product, so I went to a lot of different sellers to check the prices and check the ratings. Second thing, don't go for the cheapest. If you find this top for 5 rupees or 10 rupees or 5-10 to zyada hi kam ho gaya. If you find this top for 50 rupees or 100 rupees, I'm sure there's going to be some jhol in it, so just make sure you don't go for the cheapest product. So the last and final point is check the reviews, guys. Be a smart shopper and check the reviews. I can't stress this enough. Make sure you see all the pictures and all the reviews from the customers. That will give you guys an idea how it really looks, because sometimes ऐसा होता है कि picture में कुछ और लगता है और आता कुछ और है. So be a smart shopper. Yes, very important tip. I even got this dress from AliExpress. I posted a picture right now on my Instagram, and so many of you guys are already asking questions about this dress. This is from AliExpress, and I'll tell you the price. Wait, you will be blown. This dress is for 1300, you guys. I'm not kidding. I'll keep everything in the description box below. 1300. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to talk about is shipping. Guys, there's a filter there. You can obviously select that, select the free shipping filter, and it'll show you all the products which are available for free shipping. Because otherwise, guys, sometimes when you're ordering a product and you're so into, you just see the price of the product. For example, if it's for 1000 rupees, you don't see the shipping. Kabhi shipping bhi 1000 rupees extra lag jati hai, then you have to pay double the amount. So make sure you're checking that, and you're very cautious when you're ordering. Shipping hamesha free rakhna. Okay, so there are two different options for shipping: express shipping and standard shipping. It takes about 30-40 days, you guys. That is the biggest drawback, I think. 30-40 days to get the product delivered at your place. Kabhi jaldi bhi aa jata hai. It takes 20 days, sometimes 10 days, you never know. But 40 days is the bare minimum. If you want to get the product quickly, you can opt for express shipping. Obviously, you will have to pay for that. But I always go for standard shipping, and I think it works for me. I just order and I forget. So yeah. So the last and final thing is the buyer protection period. If you order a product, and you can talk to the seller also, if it doesn't get delivered in 30-40 days or whatever the time period is given by them, you can claim for a refund or you can claim for your money back. You also get mails from them saying, oh, 5 days left for your product. If you have received the product, please confirm shipping and stuff like that. If you haven't received the product, you can obviously claim for a refund and you will get your money back. I haven't really done that. I haven't really used the feature, but my product always reaches on time. So yeah. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is the quality. Guys, this dress, I got this I think 20-30 days back, and this is for, wait for it, drum roll please, this is for 870 rupees, you guys, and I think it's not bad at all. It's satin silk and the quality is decent. मतलब इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा. I don't think the quality is bad at all. The stitching and everything is perfect. कभी-कभी मेरे साथ हुआ ऐसे stitching में, कभी-कभी मुझे problem हुआ है, कभी-कभी threads वगैरह निकल रहे होते हैं. Next up, I also got this leopard print chiffon top, and you probably can't see it, but it has exaggerated sleeves like these, and the quality is decent enough. I think I'll give it 4 out of 5 for the quality. And then I got this huge woolen blanket, you guys. I got this blanket. I was searching for this blanket for a really long time. Although this is not cheap at all. I think I got this for 3,000 or 4,000 rupees, but it's wool. So I think the weight and everything also matters when you're getting a product from outside India. So yeah, I think it's not that bad. So in terms of quality, I think first point पे ही जाते हैं. Check the reviews. अगर reviews में अच्छा है तो obviously product वैसा ही आएगा. I haven't really faced an issue कभी भी. So I'll give it a thumbs up in terms of quality, but just make sure that you're checking the product properly first. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know what you want to see next. If you want me to review some other shopping site, for example Shein, Fashion Nova, any other site, let me know. I'll do that for you guys. Let's make it a series, you guys. We can because yes, that's a great idea, I think, है ना? Okay, bye. I'll see you in the next video. गलत कर दिया मैंने. It is so cute. वाह. वाला. How I buy दोबारा बोलती हूँ, है ना? बकवास कर रहा मैंने.